everybody, I am here today with my son Phoenix. Wanted to help me make this video. So this week we're going to be going over week 2 of Airstream renovations. This week we did the flooring. We installed our new flooring. Scott put down, when we lifted the old flooring, we realized that they had like covered the subfloor with plywood. So we reinstalled like new plywood down. When we lifted it, the floor underneath didn't need to be replaced. We didn't need to do a full restoration, but we did want to kind of strengthen everything. So we did end up putting the plywood back down, and then we chose to go with a Traffic Master linoleum product just to keep everything really light in there. And when we go to the desert or the beach, it'll be easy to vacuum sand or dirt and everything up in the campsite. So we went with, I think it's called a redwood acacia product, and I think it turned out really beautiful. And then we also did the painting. So we painted the upper dome, the ABS plastic piece, and then we, all the cabinetry. Hi, Cleo. And then we did we rolled with some Valspar flat white. We rolled the ceilings and the walls where the vinyl was that we didn't take off. And I think it turned out really nice. So here is how that all went. Stay tuned for the end, and we will talk about what we decided to name her. Back in today. I finished all of the aluminum siding in the front and stripping back the old vinyl wallpaper. So today I am painting the fiberglass or plastic portion of the dome and the cabinets. Those will be spray painted, and everything else, the old vinyl wallpaper throughout the top and the back, we're gonna paint. We're gonna roll it. So I'm working on this cabinet, and then if I get far enough, I'll work on the cabinets through the top sides of the trailer. I have this really nice get up on because I've already got paint in my hair and painted my nostril hairs, so this is a new look for painting. I'm getting ready to apply my 3rd can now, so we'll see how it goes. So without further ado, we are going to reveal the name we decided on. So without further ado,
Willadine the Airstream.
So I did a little research and decided on Willadine to represent my southern roots and give her a sweet little country southern name. And I just loved how Willadine the Airstream sounded. So we have Willadine and Willa for short out front. And if you guys want more videos on Willadine and our progress, please
like and subscribe.
Thanks for tuning in. We love y'all. Have a great week.
Bye.
Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. As we promised, we are going to reveal the name that we decided on. So without further ado,